Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into your Citizen Bank account. First of all, open up any browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar type in citizenbank.com and click on enter. Now at the top right corner you'll find login button, click on it. After that, select a secure login and select which account you want to log in. Now click on this button. After that, you need to type in your user ID and password. Now check this box if you want to remember your user ID on this website. Now click on login button to log into your Citizen Bank account. Or if you want to change your password, click on this link. And if you are new to online banking, click on this link and you can enable online banking on your Citizen Bank account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.